Hi, it's me, Ayushi Talukdar, and I'm super excited to be a part of 108 PH.
Yeah, 108 pH, and above that, it's releasing on 15th August.
Ji
What is
Vinod.
independence to you? You know.
I think independence.
Anyway, what is independence to you?
Independence to me is where I can be who I am.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's also women empowerment.
This show is being made for all age groups. It's being made for the Gen Z, it's made for the Alpha, Beta, Gamma,
Beta.
all of them.
So, welcome to Mumbai.
Thank you so much.
You're debuting.
Yes.
Would you like to introduce yourself to the audiences, to the viewers?
Yeah, sure. Hi, it's me, Ayushi Talukdar, and I'm super excited to be a part of 108 PH.
Yeah, 108 pH, and above that, it's releasing on 15th August.
Ji
What is
Vinod.
independence to you? You know.
I think independence to all Indians are very special. I mean, especially Independence Day, we all enjoy this day. We feel patriotic. We feel a lot of love for our country. I think generally हम लोग सबको feel होना ही चाहिए. But then I think it's a special day for all of us, and it's more special this year because our show is coming on that day.
Yeah. Would you like to add something about the democracy that is still prevailing in India?
I would not like to make any kind of political comments or anything that touches.
No, we are a
sensitive-
democratic country.
Yes,
I mean
we
to
are,
say,
but then we
yeah.
have our own point of views
Yeah.
about it, which might not be taken in the right way.
Okay. So, anyway, what is independence to you?
Independence to me is where I can be who I am. I can live the way I want. I can eat the food that I want. And I can basically live freely. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's also women empowerment,
Yeah.
which is very much there. You know.
Yes.
We are so lucky about it. Anyway, watching the show series on the trailer. It was such a touching moment, the emotional moment, and when you sue that doctor out, you know,
Yeah.
I mean, along with the base being the military, this thing, you know, uh, that emotional touch. How do you look at that? You know, I mean, it's going to attract the
yes.
audiences.
Yes, it is. Because I had mentioned this earlier that, TV content used to be made for a set audience.
Family
But now,
audiences, of
family
course,
audience,
yeah.
yes. But now it is being made now. This show is being made for all age groups. It's being made for the Gen Z, it's made for the
Yeah.
Alpha, Beta, Gamma,
Beta.
all of them sitting together with the boomers, the millennials, and everybody.
Y'all are millenniums.
Yeah. I
Better.
am. She's Gen Z.
I'm Jen.
Gen Z.
So,
Oh,
yeah.
so I'll ask you.
So it is basically something that you can relate to. There's a lot of real approach towards all the characters, the way it is
Yeah.
being made,
Yeah.
to the locations, to everything. So everyone will be able to sit in a room and they cannot say, "What are you watching?" because everyone will be engrossed.
I know. I hail from the army background.
Oh wow!
So,
So how did we do?
I liked it, you know.
Uh-huh.
And it must have been a military hospital
Yes.
in Uri.
Yes.
What this thing are you pursuing, you know?
We are trauma surgeons.
Medicals.
We
Yeah,
are
what
trauma
surgeon?
surgeons.
What surgeon?
Trauma surgeons.
Trauma surgeon. Oh
Yes.
my God. Both of you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, how did you train yourself for trauma, you know?
So I did a couple of research on medical drama in the past and watched a lot of medical videos and
Videos.
try to research on how the surgeries are done, what are the terms used, what's the body language like,
Yeah.
how they speak, and how the medical terminologies, how they are so, like I said, like it's just their lingo, So we had to get used to all of that, and it took us some time.
Yeah. Would you like to add something?
I think we also had people guiding us. Through
Yeah.
the,
Yeah,
you know,
from
when
the
it
army
comes-
background. Yeah.
Yes. Both,
MH.
we also had
Yes.
doctors during our surgery part, and also we had guidance, and our makers have really helped us through. the journey.
Obviously, yeah. That's good, you know. What would you like to say about your films? Sorry, about your series. You know, I think you're coming back after a break.
After a break, yes.
So, how do you look at the break? You know, why did you have to take a break? Like,
I didn't want to do something that was, like a long format in terms of, and infinite series. I want to do something which is on the finite basis because I'll know the start, made an end of it, and that gives us a more space to work with our characters. It gives us more passion and dedication to work towards our characters,
know.
and we also know what we are working towards.
Right.
On the other hand, when we have something which is infinite, we don't know where it is going to go and how do we
Yeah.
take our characters, the graph, and everything. So I didn't want to, because I've already done that, and I didn't want to continue in that path. So I wanted something that could challenge me as an actor, give me more of a better role, and that is why I chose to take a
Worthwhile.
step. Yeah, worthwhile.
Yeah,
So I
worthwhile.
wanted to take a step back. On the other hand, I had my other businesses which I was taking care of in
Which
Dubai.
business?
So I have a production house and marketing company in Dubai.
Wow, such a
which-
tough business. Getting money, shelling, making people shell from their pocket. It's so difficult. Marketing is the toughest.
Yeah.
Are you trained for it?
No.
Ah,
Your
your smile is enough, I think.
I think I've learned a lot from my father. He's very
Uh-huh.
good with business, and
Okay.
yeah.
So you're traveling to and fro from
Yes, I
Dubai.
do.
So you're stationed in Dubai now.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. It's good to have your business on your own, you know.
Yeah.
So what is women empowerment to you now?
It has always been. I don't think it's now, because
Yeah, that's what I
I
keep telling you.
started,
हमारे
yeah,
time पे भी था.
Yeah.
But people are craving for it,
Yeah.
fighting
Now
for
it's
it.
just spoken about too much.
You're- exactly.
And the
I
thing
mean,
is,
social media influence.
yeah, you have like your phone in your hand and everyone's talking about everything now. But as an individual, I started off very young. So I started
I know.
at the
I
age of
remember
16.
you had worn that white sari when we came to meet you.
White.
Something so tall,
yeah,
dandy
it was a
you
suit.
looked. We had come. Ekta ji was also
Yeah, it was
there.
a suit.
Huh.
Yeah.
I still remember.
Yeah. So I started off by the age of 16, my career, and I
That's
started
good.
with modeling, and then I did films in the south. And
I know you did Telugu films
yes, Telugu,
also.
Tamil, Kannada.
So,
Yeah,
Telugu తెలుసుంది
I can understand.
బాగు తెలుద్దు.
No.
So are you open to doing Telugu films and Tamil films?
Yes, I am open to doing them now. Yeah.
Okay. So how are you approaching?
I am not chasing anything.
Uh-huh.
I'm just letting things happen naturally at its own pace. So I believe in, if you chase something, they run further away from you. So I'm just letting things happen the way it is. Like this one happened.
This one will take most of your time now, you know, because it's
I-
going to be
we
so
are
many
almost done
hours
with it.
together. Huh?
No,
We're almost done.
finished.
It's a
You
free
finished,
short
yeah.
show, which is the first that is coming on TV.
Yeah, and,
It is,
and
yeah,
the
the first
army
of its
thing,
kind.
you know.
Yeah,
So
army,
how do you what do you grab about the working system of military hospital and doctors around, you know, because it's so different and they're very genuine. I don't know.
Yes, yeah.
Compared to civilian. I
yes,
vouch
yes.
for.
Yes, they do. I think they come with no filter,
Yeah.
and they say things as is. They have to be that way, right? You have to be that way, otherwise how are you going to be in the field?
Yeah.
So discipline, definitely.
थोड़ी सी genuinity रहती
Yes.
है. They'll treat
Yeah,
you
yeah,
like they want you
They're
to
very
get
warm,
well.
because
Very
when we
warm.
shot in the army camps and all, we've experienced that. We've experienced the warmth from the people around there.
Yeah.
And there's a lot to take back, actually a lot of learning from this show, because we were put in the shoes of those characters. And as actors, it's a gift that we have. It's a blessing that we have in disguise, that we can play different characters, live different lives
Yeah.
for a short period, but we learn. There's a lot of taking away from a lot of
So
that.
you must
know?
have learned a lot of medical terminologies as well. You must have learned about how to treat trauma.
Yes.
Yeah.
What is the
Yes.
learning that you would like to share? You know, because
a
trauma
lot
is so
of
much
things- a lot of
important
things,
nowadays
yeah.
because of the hectic lifestyle.
Yeah.
So there are the CPRs and how to treat
Yeah.
cuts and bleedings, and you know the different kinds of bleeds, how deep the the
Cut is. Yeah.
on that level, how much pressure you
Wow.
need to put in, yeah, all of that.
In fact, I would like to mention, on set we used to call her Dr. Fernandez because she was like
She is
all-
Fernandez.
Yeah.
Dr. Fernandez. We had
Yeah.
given her the title
Yeah.
because she was always in it, and she used to guide us also. I mean, we had a surgeon, just she was always prepped up for it.
Right. Before we conclude, what changes do you find having worked earlier for television and now?
The take on the content right now with this show is very different. The way
First-
it has been,
it's first of its
first
kind.
of its
You're so
kind, yes.
lucky.
Yeah.
To belong to the
Yes,
army
yeah,
background
yes, of course.
character. Of
Yes,
course.
yes, of course.
Totally, I feel
Like I have said this before also, it's a privilege, it's an honor to be a part of this show, because you have the army and then you have a surgeon who's a part of the army. So it's two things that I've wanted to do, which combined together in one, and something it's been checked off my bucket list.
Quickly, something that you would like to refresh your memories, both of you, about your earlier days having celebrated Independence Day in school.
Yeah.
And now, how do you celebrate?
We're
Just quickly.
celebrating it now with our show, and
Oh,
earlier we used to celebrate it while flag
Flag
hoisting.
hoisting.
Yeah. So, refreshing your memories about childhood days.
Yeah.
First Independence Day or whatever
Yeah,
you
we used
remember,
to
how
wear
we used to
badges.
go.
Batches as
Flags,
little
huh?
mini
Yeah,
flags,
yeah.
pin it to our
Draw the
pinafores.
flags
Yeah.
and all that. Yeah.
Okay, quickly, any message to the millennials from you?
Okay, a millennial. Actually, you give the millennials, I'll give the Gen Z.
Gen Z. Oh.
I think to all the millennials and Gen Zs, they are my favorites. So
Oh, because she's Gen Z.
yeah. So whatever, but I would request all of you. It's not a request. I think you're gonna love our show. So this Independence Day, give us your time and watch our show. I am sure you won't be disappointed.
All I'll say is our show is.
Oh my
Is that
right? What does this mean? Explain.
Clock it.
And people feel it's something,
No, it's
No,
something.
no.
It's like if you like something,
like
appreciate it,
something.
you do
Yeah, so
this.
nice.
So yeah, our show is one of a kind, which is coming on TV, and I'm very sure that all of you guys are going to be sitting together and watching it, enjoying it, because there's a lot of everything. There's emotion, drama, there's action, a lot of
Full-on
things. So it's
package. Yeah.
the package that you're waiting for.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you.
She was going on.
Yeah, it was going on.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.